Hello everyone. In this episode, we'll discuss how to perform VLOOKUP in Power BI in two ways. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. Now let me show you the data table first. So this is the first table is a item table, and here you can see the product name, first column, and the unit price. Now the second table is the order, and here you can see the region, country, customer, and product. So product is common in item and the order table, and sales date and order quantity. Now I have to bring a unit price here in this order table from the item table. To do this, I will add a new column here, and my name will be price, and I'll say method 1, method 1. Okay, now here I will use a lookup function, lookup value, and the first part will be a result column actually. So the result column is the unit price from the item table, comma. The second part is the search one, and here we'll give item, table name, and the product, comma. I'll come down and now I will search order, another column, order is product, bracket close. So basically the order table, here you can see the product, it will search in the item table for the product column, and whatever the matching, it will return the unit price. Now if I will accept this, so you will see the price here, the product price. It is display according to the product name. Now I will show you the second method. So second method, again I will add a new column. So the second method, actually we have to establish the relationship actually. So I'll go to the relationship tab. Here you can see the item table and the order table, and there is no relationship, and using a lookup it is working perfectly fine. So for the second method, you have to, make a relationship between these two tables. So on the product, I'll set up a relationship, one to many relationship. So here you can see one to many relationship is established. Now I'll go back to the data model, and here I will add a new column, and my column name is price underscore method 2. So here I will use a DAX related function, and I will directly use the column which I want here in the order table, price, and the bracket close. So here you can see the price, all the price. Okay. Now this, the second method, it will not work if there is no relationship between the item table and the order table. For example, if I'll delete the relationship, you will see the error there. So let me go there. And you can see the error. So the related will not work without the relationship. Now let me establish the relationship again. Product to product. Okay. So now we'll go to the data model, and you can see it is working. So you can see there is a two-way, but the result is same, and you can achieve which method you like most. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.